Hello everyone, in this video we are going to look into how to create an accurate terrain model of a site with the help of contour data from the survey. So to obtain contour data, here I'm using the website Land and Spatial Survey Information Victoria. So in this website, if we search a particular location in Victoria, we are gonna get the survey information. So we are unticking all the layers and we just need the contour layer. So click on the contour layer 1 to 5 meters. So that gives us the contour data of specific areas. So next what we need to do is print the data. So we're gonna print into PDF, and we can select a scale of choice and any paper size. So it's A3 landscape or A4. So I'll choose A3 landscape and just save the PDF into your system. Next, what you have to do is open AutoCAD and then click import, PDF import. Then choose that PDF you downloaded. So AutoCAD is gonna automatically read those contour lines as AutoCAD lines, so you don't actually need to trace anything. So AutoCAD converts the PDF into lines, and yeah, so just delete the background, and you can see the contour lines as AutoCAD lines. Next we need to do is scale the map. So for scaling we just check the units, so it's in meters. So we're gonna use the align to command. So first we're gonna draw a polyline of 100 meters. Then we are gonna scale align the whole contour map into that 100 meters. So we just choose the scale and set it to the real 100 meter scale. And so if you click enter, it's going to choose if you want to scale the object. Then click Y and enter. So we have got the scaled map. Next we need to do is set the elevation levels or the height levels to each contour line. So if we click on each contour lines, you can see the elevation or the Z value as 0. So this is a flat image. So in order to set to the desired height, just check with the contour information, the numbers, and apply each elevation level, so 1 meter or 2 meter or whatever, to each contour lines. So you'll have to do that to all the contour lines to create the accurate result. So this is the end result. So this is I've aligned each line to its specific height. So if we look into 3D view, we'll see that each contour line is aligned to its specific height. So next what we have to do is go to 3DSMAX, then import the AutoCAD file, and the AutoCAD file, after importing, we can select the whole file to create the terrain map. So after importing, just select the whole file and go to the primitives, where we just click on the compound primitives objects and click on terrain. Voila. So that's how we create the terrain map from contour lines. So we can go to layers, and if we hide the AutoCAD layer, it will show just the 3DSMAX end result. So this is how we make a terrain model from contour lines. Thanks for watching the video.